Hello, welcome to my channel. My name is Abhilash and I'm a full-time trader by profession. I've started this channel recently where I share my daily market analysis on the stock markets of USA, UK and Canada, and I also share my daily market analysis on the important forex currency pairs like Euro, USD, USD, Japanese yen, GBP, USD, USD, Canadian dollar, etc. Okay, so in this video I'll be analyzing the chart of USD for the 2nd March 2021 Tuesday only. So this video is for Tuesday only. Tomorrow I'll be coming down again with tomorrow's analysis. Okay. So let's try to understand the chart of USD for 2nd March. So we can see that right now market is trading at 1.2648. Okay, this level. And you can see I have marked three levels on the three levels on the chart. The first level is 1.26918. Okay, this level. Okay, this level is important. Okay, so right now market is trading at 1.2648. Okay, market, you can see that market may or may not reverse from here. Okay, if market goes up from here and hits the 1.2691 level, okay, if market hits this level, so market will be facing a small resistance. Okay, and if market hits the level and if faces price rejection from above, okay, like this, if you see some long wicks and good selling pressure, then you can short the market here for a quick profit. For a small quick profit, you can short the market here also if you see some selling pressure. Okay, in case market crosses this level and it's this level 1.2732, this level, this is the ultimate level. Okay, in my previous videos also I have talked how important this resistance was. Okay, hopefully you remember. And you can see market could not break the resistance and market had to come down. So if market crosses this small resistance, okay, crossing this small resistance will not be a big issue for the market. Okay, in case market goes up and it's this level of 1.2732 level, okay, this level is very important. In case market again faces strong selling pressure, in case market faces some price rejection from above, then also you can short the market here again. Okay, and in case market successfully crosses the level, okay, then let the market sustain above the resistance for at least 1 hour, minimum 1 hour. Let the market feel comfortable above the resistance for minimum 1 hour. Let the resistance become the support, then only go ahead and execute the buy order. Otherwise wait. And if market comes down and hits this level, okay, then also you can buy here. If you spot some good rejection, price rejection from below, then you can buy here also. Okay, but remember, before placing the order, do not forget to check out the volume or get the confirmation. Okay, if you use any indicator of your own choice, then also you can use it, but confirmation is important. Buy here if you see some price rejection from below. You can short the market here also for a small quick profit if market faces rejection from below, and this is your ultimate level. Okay, this 1.2732 level. If market crosses this level, let the market stay above the resistance for some time. Let the market feel comfortable. Okay, then only buy. Okay, let the resistance become the support. In case it faces some selling pressure again, you can short the market. Okay, so this is the analysis, and this should be a strategy for USDCAD for 2nd March 2021 for Tuesday. Okay, hopefully you all have understood, and if you have uh, liked the video and found the video informative, please give a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Okay, so if you want to watch the other analysis of the currency pairs, you can watch the forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel. Okay, and if you want to know more about me, you can also visit my website. The link is in the description. Thank you so much and good luck. See you tomorrow.